Yeah, same ate butterfly hug effective po talaga. Yes, yon ganyan. Hug. You're the butterfly hug really helps. Lalo na pag mag-isa ka lang or walang yayakap sa'yo. Crush reveal. My crush reveal. Sakit na ulo ko. My crush reveal. Why are you crying, Lavender Miss Lila? Don't cry. Na-feel mo rin ba yung tumatanda ka na tapos wala ka pang na-achieve in life? Alam mo, you have your tiny achievements. Think about it. You have tiny achievements in your head. Simple as getting over an anxiety attack or panic attacks. That's already an achievement, you know. It's a step towards greatness and success. But yeah, I feel that sometimes. Ooh? Paano yung ooh? 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 You're making me cry. Don't cry! All of you, do not cry! I'm gonna cry with you if you do that. Always love and appreciate your craft. Yes. You know, there are times that you will hate it. You know, there are times that you will hate it, but end of the day, you will, you know that it's what you want to do, ganyan. So, yeah. I'm so soft. Please, me also. So, don't cry. Guys, wala akong makeup, sorry. Kasi naman, 12:33 na ba't ako mag-makeup? Oo, matutulog na po ako. Good night. I'll tell you, how old are you when you started modeling? I started modeling when I was 7 years old. I was 7 years old. And, hi Roxy. Maubos na yung load mo. Yan. But professionally, I started modeling at 15, 16. Kim memories. Fave Italian food. My favorite. Wait lang ah. Paano ba patayin to? My favorite Italian food is pizza. Italian food ba yun? Pizza. Eh, matutulog na ako. Meron akong migraine. Hindi nyo lang narinig yung realization ko in life kanina. Sayang. But yeah. As much as possible, stop self-deprecating. Before, ganun ako eh. Tapos, yung mga friends ko nag-start na sabihin, stop feeling sorry for yourself. You know, you did a lot of things. You did a lot of amazing stuff. And I really appreciate my friends for that. Do you know your birth chart? What is a birth chart? Sakit na ulo ko na minamigraine ako. Meron kasi ako eh. What was the realization po? Oh yeah, I haven't eaten yet! What did I do today? Hindi ko pala ako makain. Kumain na ba ako? Why do you have this profile photo in Finsta? Wala na kasi ayoko na ng mukha ko muna. Nagsasawa ako sa mukha ko. Puro ako selfie lately. Feeling ko hindi ako kumain ngayon, Jacob eh. I feel like I didn't eat. Are you into astrology? Yes, I am. I'm a Pisces. I am emotional. I put others' needs and I put others' needs before my own. But I'm starting to prioritize myself now. So, yay! Break the stereotype. Gutom na ako. How tall are you when you started as a model? I was 5'6 and a half. Dapat 5'7 ka. Dinaya ako dun sa GoSee nung Pima. Sorry po sa mga head ng Pima. Dinaya ako po yun. 5'6 and a half po talaga ako pero pinapasok niyo po ako. Nagtepitos po ako ng konti. Anong nasa baba ng kilay mo? Balat po yan. That's something unique about me. I would have it removed, but not everyone has it. So, ano ng color ng hair mo? Hindi ko po alam kay Jed. Si Jed po yung sabi ko, surprise me. Na-surprise na po. And this is Lua. What makes you stand out from others? I honestly don't know. But in my line of work, on my or at my, yung English ko, wala na. Maybe my height. I'm watching from Dubai. Hi. Bakit everyday pretty? Nako po, hindi po ako everyday pretty. Minsan po pretty ugly. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna sleep now. I think I need to eat. Ilang months ka na, baby Lua? Ilang months ka na? How much? 5 months? 5 months. April 15 po yung birthday niya. Ay, April 13. Press kaming 13. April 13 birthday mo. Oo, 13 birthday niya. April 13 po. I'm March 13. She's April. She's an Aries, if I'm right. Look at that. Aray, masakit. Masakang bat. Have I eaten? I don't even know if I've eaten yet. I have. Pag Bisaya daw, be, kapoy man. Wa man akong, dili man ako kabalo magsulti og Bisaya. Kay dito na ako nagdako and na ako yung migraine. So ayun. Mudagan na ako sa tulog. Anyway, guys, good night. Miss you. Stay low-key, though. I'm definitely gonna stay low-key. Good night. Hello, Pawi! Night, guys. Pasigaw po Antoinette Rose Yocampo. Anyway. Aya! Yawa! Nagwiwi! Ay! Okay, good night. Bye-bye. Nagwiwi siya. Good night.